Alright, hey, what's up you guys? My name is Harrison and welcome to School of Swipe. So today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm just gonna show you how to use the TI-84 graphing calculator. This is the TI-84 Plus Silver Edition on the emulator. If you're using another Texas Instrument calculator, it should more or less be quite similar. And yeah, I should also make a video on how I got it installed. There's actually lots of those out there, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm just gonna show you a couple of things. So alright. So generally, if you're using the calculator, for the first time, this will be a bit new to you, but otherwise I think you should more or less know your way around it. Okay, so this is the home screen. You'll see this. So you need to know some very important things. So this is the first thing. Mode's very important. So you really need to know what degree, whether you're working with radians or degrees. Generally, if you are doing calculus, you need to make sure that it's set to radian. Otherwise, I'm not sure when you will need to use degree. It's more at grades, I can't remember, but if you're in secondary school you need to know degrees. If you're doing calculus, definitely use radians. And then there's another one which is function. It reads as function parametric. Forgot what POL stands for, but I remember it's something to do with trigonometry. Polar form and sequences and series. And of course all the way down here, all the way down here is your real numbers or your complex numbers. But oh dang, why do you stop doing that? Anyway, so yeah, that's mode. So as you can see, I pressed second mode means quit to return back to the home screen. Mode is mode. Yeah, so I just need to explain a couple of things. So if I type in some numbers, and there's the difference between delete, going back and deleting some stuff, and clear. Clear means you clear the whole line. And it also means like if I hang on. So clearing once means like you clear the current line that you're on. You clearing twice means like you're clearing the whole window. But even though it's cleared, like you can't see it, you can still access it. It's still there in memory. So if you wanna go to the second last thing that you just typed, you just press second enter, which is like the one before that. You can even go up again and again. I'm not sure how far this goes, but yeah, if you see something like answer, it's relative. It usually means the last answer that you got, so don't count on it. Okay, so so I think I've explained everything. In general, the second button means like you click on it and then you click on whatever the blue thing means, and the alpha button means whatever the green thing means. It's kind of hard to see here, but if you have an actual calculator, it's very clear. So let's go to the next one. So yeah, so I was going to say store as. So answer, like if I press 1 plus 2 and plus 1.2548, I don't know, like let's say I really want to save this. So if I only need to use it one time for the next one, I can just press second answer and I'll get it back. But what if I'm doing like a lot of calculations like right after this, but later I want to get back to this number? Using answers by itself wouldn't be the best choice. So what I would do is I will press store and you press answer and this arrow key. Then I can use alpha and key in something. So I can key in any letter. Generally I just stick to A, B, C or something, and I'll write that down so I don't forget. So answers store as A, so I can do this. So so let's say I do something else, plus 1, 2, 3, I don't know. So if obviously if I press answer, I'll get 1, 3, 4. But let's say if I want to get my A back, I can just do that. So that's how that works. So yeah, so finally I'm just going to talk about using lists. So lists can be accessed by pressing stat and edit. So what I would like to do is generally I use this. I think you might be allowed to bring in a graphic calculator for some of your science exams. So if you're doing practical or something where you need to do a lot of like multiplying across the entire list, this might be helpful. So let's say I have no idea. So let's say something like that. okay, let's say I have this, and then I need to multiply everything by, I don't know, by 1 over 1000 to, because of conversion reasons. So what I can do is, maybe I can press list 1, and then I multiply that by 1 over 1000, and I just save some time like that. Otherwise, maybe if I'm doing this, I don't know, let's say I'm calculating this for some reason, maybe regression or something, and maybe from list 3 I can do it to modify list 2 or list 1 by doing the above method. So I can go like list 1, oops, sorry, it's kind of hard to see. Okay, I got it. Yeah, so I can go at list 1 and, you know, multiply by whatever. But I can also go list 1 plus list 2, and generally if you understand what's going on, you know, it can save you a bunch of time. Yeah, so that's something that you can do. Okay, so in the next video I'll be talking a little bit about trigonometry. So okay, I'll be talking about calculus. So yeah.